Well, welcome back. So let's just jump right into the next level. So this level is called Not Gate. And the goal is to use a NAND gate to create a NOT gate. So a NOT gate only has one input and one output, whereas a NAND gate has two inputs. So we can drag our single component on, connect the output, connect one input, connect the other one to see what happens. Oh, and that works. And you can tell by the truth table of the NAND gate, if both are high, then you get a low, and if both are low, you get a high. So it implements the NOT gate very easily by just wasting one of the legs, essentially. Now let's jump right over to CRUMB. I've already got the same breadboard template and the same 5-volt source here. And then I pre-plugged in a single switch. So if we interact with it, when I turn it on, it connects this set of pins to this set of pins, and I connected high on this side. So when you turn it on, then here becomes a high and it turns on this green LED. Now we just need to place our quad NAND again. And wire it. We can just jump from 1A to 1B, and then we can output the result to a resistor. Now if we interact, it doesn't work. Oh, yep, we didn't power the chip. And now it's working. And what this actually implements is an inverter. So this is the actual chip you'd use if you just wanted a NOT gate. 74HC04. And we can do the same thing on it to see that it also implements a NOT gate. So there we have it. All right, let's put it on a real breadboard. So one thing that I want to mention first is having to put resistors with your LEDs all the time is pretty annoying. So what I've actually done usually is I solder on a resistor onto the ground side of my LEDs so that I can just always plug them in wherever I want without having to manually add a resistor. So we're going to use those today. I've got a couple of those. And then we're going to use our quad NAND chip again. So we pop that in, give it its ground, VCC, then we can just immediately pop the output LED into place and the input LED into place. And let's grab one wire and drive it low And then we need to connect the other side to the first input so that both inputs are the same input. And then we can swap and get our NOT gate. Now, an important thing to note about the NOT gate is the NOT is actually the circle at the output. It's just a generic triangle, but the circle is what makes it a NOT. And that's why we saw the circle on the output of the NAND gate, because it's an AND with a NOT on the output.